Okay, happy Friday, everyone. January 28th, 2022. I'm starting the blooper reel early today. Okay, only 2 trades today. Still using just one contract. I'm going to talk a little bit about the VIX, but not too much. But VIX kind of helped me trade this week. It's been a good week, too. I got up about, $1,700, all using one contract. One thing I did want to touch on today before I do get into the video is that, because I did it actually after I was done trading, but the one thing here is, find that again. Okay, here's what I posted yesterday in yesterday's video. If you'd like to go back, you'll see where I was talking about these levels, 813, 84, and the other one is right here, where the 790. I don't know if we've hit 7. Yeah, actually, we have hit 790, or right almost thereabouts. I still got alerts going off, and that's on NVIDIA. But I'd like to do something talking about the VIX at some time in the future, and I will show some examples here soon. Again, these are videos here that I posted yesterday. It hit the 813, 814 in the pre-market, and then just kind of kept going down. It also hit the daily 200 period. Excuse me, on the moving averages on the daily. So here's my thumbnail for the day, 177. I stopped here because we are going to be heading out of town as soon as my wife gets back from work today, taking off a little early. So, having said all that, let's get into this video and start this Friday up. I missed the open, but I did make 2 trades. Here's the opening candle. I got into this candle here for a long. Somehow I got it. I think it was kind of lucky. Here goes. First trade's done. The one thing I wanted to talk about, again with the VIX, is that, let's see if I can pull this up. Actually, I'll wait for that. What I'm going to do here is fast forward a little bit. My second trade is at 8:35 a.m. my time. That's going to be right about in here. Okay. 8:35 and 2 seconds to 8:35 and 52. Again, the only reason for 2 quick trades is because I need to start packing and get everything ready. But I kind of wanted to end the week on an up note, on a positive. It already was a positive. I really wasn't thinking I was going to trade. Okay, here's my last trade. It kind of broke out to the downside. Goes against me a little bit here, of course. Hope your day is green. Oddly slow movement coming into end of the week. Of course, options expiration. Not a monthly, just a weekly. Should start picking up a little bit here.
Order filled.
I did leave a little bit of money on the table, but that's not really a big deal. $12.75 I got out. First trade was 5 seconds. Second trade was a whole 50 seconds there. You can see I made, you can see right here. These totals are always minus commissions, so that is my net profit after commission, not including tax, of course, but that's it. Okay, one thing here I want to go into. Pull this over here. This is a 1 minute chart of Tesla for the day up to right now is where we're at. Actually, let me double check that, because I think, yeah, it's a lot higher. Would have been a great day to be going long. But here's what I want to show. Here's a VIX chart of the day. Go ahead and get that where I need it to be. I am really liking the VIX. In fact, I'm going to just sort of drag it over here. Okay, my first trade was at 832.19. So you're looking over here. Let me go ahead and do this because this is the only time I'm trading. Here's the opening bell, 31. Here's 32. Actually, I did get that on the right candle. Right here, and if you notice on the VIX, you can kind of see how my cursor shows. VIX is going up. That means the market's going down. This is a lucky trade, if you ask me, and I got in and out pretty quick. What did I say it was? Yeah, a whole 5 seconds. Then it proceeds on down. Okay, then my next trade I got in at the beginning of this candle. I'm looking at the actual Tesla chart right here. So I got in at the beginning of that candle. So it got in here. Of course, went against me. Down we go. And if you look on this right here, even though it was going up over here in this candle, this was a nice big long candle and kept going up and up. And that's why I stuck with it. I'm kind of liking this. This is kind of neat. I wish I had more time to trade today, because notice here, let's see, where are we? What am I doing, D? Okay, I'm going to just sort of do that. That's the wrong one. How in the heck? Okay. Sorry for the technical difficulties here. Okay, drag all this back a little bit. Here's the day as we see it. And I just want to show you. Now what I do, I'll look at the VIX. Here's the VIX and this one right here. What are you doing? I have an RSI at the bottom. Whenever I start seeing it hit these right here, I start looking for maybe a reversal of some sort. If you know here, here's the 835 candle I was talking about. It came down some, but then came back up. Look at all those tails. Okay, here it starts going down, but the VIX is still, there's a little, oh God, I can't believe I can't think of the word, but it's going opposite of each other. God, I know that word and I can't say it. I don't know why conjunctive comes rhyme, but that's not it. Anyway, you notice over here on the Tesla chart, here's a low. And that's kind of at a high there, but then it starts going up. This right here would have been kind of a consolidation. So you kind of see where VIX and Tesla, there's kind of a mixture there. And you look down at the RSI, it's kind of funny. So then now it starts to break out and keeps breaking out until where do you think would be a good place to get in and ride the wave? This is more position trading here. Note how as I'm moving on one, where it's moving on the other, and where the RSI is. I'm normally not an RSI person, but I just started looking at the VIX, and the one thing I have been doing is looking at market profile. And here is market profile chart for the day. I wish you could see it from the beginning of the day. It would look a lot more, it'd make a lot more sense for what it is. Can't really tell a lot from that. This little box right here, this is the balance area. Things tend to come into the back to balance, or they leave balance and they space out. This right here is the POC, or the point of control. The most passes through This priced about 822.13. Another day I'll have to show a little bit more about that. There's a guy named Paul Asmar that I noted in the comments, not in the video, yesterday about how he shows Window Trader Blue software, and that is the best software, but it's not cheap. That's more for a little more advanced, but I like to watch him and his videos. That's Paul, A-S-M-A-R. Again, I don't get anything from mentioning his name, no kickback, no. I'm not subscribed except to free emails, which he does in pre-market and post-market, and he talks about the levels. And the levels I'm talking about are, okay, just looking at this here. Here's the SPY and the Q, and I make note on paper where these levels are that he mentions in his video. Because of that, then I watch that in conjunction with the VIX, and then I look at Tesla, and that kind of, I hate to say it, it kind of helps me out. I like it, is what I'm saying. And anyway, without going too far down the rabbit hole with that, I want to keep this short because I got a place to go and a beach to see. And mind you, it is a local beach, but we're going to stay the night. At least one night tonight. Should be nice and sunny. I hope your Friday was great. And let's see here. Oh, put a little music on. If you've had a good week, I feel like I had a good week. There's better weeks, but you know, $40 an hour job, 40 hours a week, I surpassed that. But I gotta say, there are times I kind of miss that job, being a part of something bigger than me. And here, what do? We just make money, or we lose money. But if you're part of a team, and a great team like I had at the last job, all I can say is going to work every day, it's tedious, but it's part of something. I'm kind of wondering about getting back into that and maybe leaving trading for a while and save it for a real retirement. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, having said all that, it is Friday. I hope you have a great weekend planned. Family, friends, loved ones, whatever it is, enjoy. Have a good one. Until the next time. DVT Company out.